man, you're king of the dancehall when you come out of your mother belly. Remember that. Respect and honor you. I mean, I use a breast specialist. I'm a first number one.
Everybody in my generation where of Kartel fans will tell you adamantly and vehemently say Kartel are the king. So I nothing new.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we will look at Beenie Man answer back Vybz Kartel and dismiss again him still being the relevant king of the dancehall. Also, we're going to talk about the Prime Minister giving Vybz Kartel a phone call. Shenseea has a message for the young girls, and did Andrew Holness shade Vybz Kartel? We have a lot to get into, so before we get into those clips, if it's the first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. So the other day, Beenie Man said that he was asked, what does he think? What was his thoughts regarding Vybz Kartel declaring himself as the king of the dancehall? And he said, you have one king, one crown, and one clone. So everybody take that as a diss towards Vybz Kartel, allegedly, right? We could have said allegedly back then. No, it was said that this interview was before Vybz Kartel did the interview with Winfred Williams, where he said that basically the Gaza Nation crowned him as king of the dancehall. So now Beenie Man finally reposted that old clip with Vybz Kartel declaring him as king at the time. Now, my 2 cents on it is, Beenie Man was king. He was king. He had his time. Every king has a time where they reign and they pan top and everybody praise him and they do their thing. He reigned done in the 2000s and early 90s. Yeah, Beenie was king. Beenie Man, you have to give me flowers. He need to have some big tune. You understand? Pan bed, pan floor, against wall. Whole heap of big tune. Whole heap of big tune, and he getting gram. He doing thing, But at the same time, your time done. If big bounty killer can come and basically crown Kartel as a king, in my eyes, nobody has 2 cents no matter, because a grown got that. He basically one of the grandfather them in a dancehall, and if him ego bigger than everybody else, he acted, and if him can't say alright, a Kartel turn, get the man in turn. Honestly, me don't know what Beenie Man hold on to, because I'm a big artist, give me flowers and everything, you do your thing, but at time you're no longer giving an impact to dancehall people. You don't have that impact anymore. You don't have that impact anymore. You understand? Yes, you have the old tuning, but right now I can't tell I done. Right now the other day, even did the big interview what him do with Billboard. You know how much thousands of views him do? Him get with that. And as the man, every little train when him look at the simplest thing, come out of prison and he just wrap around the kerchief round his neck. Everybody start do that. Him come with that slang we say, I'm out. Everybody start saying I'm out. Like every little thing Kartel do, people imitate it, because he has that power. He have an impact. Plus the man, stuck up in, he have personality, he just chill, and everybody just want to get to know him because he's been away for so long. I mean, before, he did always enjoy yourself, but right now, Beenie Man, have no relevant song where they boom no in place. And not even that, is like me say, is the impact. Right? It's the impact. And it is being said that you, Beenie Man, never really get king of the dancehall. It is self-proclaimed. But the people, just like one time you have voting, is the people's choice. Is the people's decision. That's my 2 cents. But you guys can tell me down in the comment section, who do you think is your king? Is it King Beenie Man or King Kartel? Still on Vybz Kartel. Funny, next year, July 5th, in Germany, in Cologne, they have a show together. Well, not together, but they're both on the same show. I feel like that's going to be awkward. That's going to be so awkward. But as you know, Kartel is the controversial king. So let's see what go happen at the show. I mean, you know the two of them have ego. Beenie Man now get up. I mean, know him go throw out past stage, and Kartel go throw out past stage. Oh, I cannot wait to see what's gonna happen. Still on Vybz Kartel, the Prime Minister of St. Vincent gave Kartel a call, and this is what he had to say. Check this out.
I follow your Freedom Street. What a massive turnout.
Now that what you're seeing on your screen is our Prime Minister, Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness. He went to attend one of the shows over the festive season. You know, the show with Uncle Paris and, you know, Buju Banton, the intimate show. And people were saying that he was shading Vybz Kartel by words on his caption, right? Because when I saw people saying, oh, Andrew this Kartel, I said, I don't think so. But then when I read the caption, I was like, oh. But then it doesn't have to mean that he's dissing him. He's just, because here's my thing, right? Everybody have different tastes in a music, and maybe he just doesn't like Vybz Kartel type of music. And some people were, you know, they were bothered at the fact that he was to them, he was throwing shade based on the post that he made on his Instagram under the video, and also in the caption or in the video. This is what it said. What a show. Great performance, great people, great fun. The Jamaican entertainment scene is at A-class all on its own, and your government is providing its full support to make it even better. I think it was the A-class that kind of triggered people, you know. And, you know, basically in the actual caption, he said what a great pleasure it was to take in the performances of some of my favorite artists at the intimate concert on Saturday. I had so many great moments listening to a catalog of exceptional songs. There were people in the comment section that were saying, oh, you know, so okay, so if Babsy Grange can go, a Kartel show, the Prime Minister should have been able to show up at both shows. And then some people were saying Andrew not go ever support Kartel because he come out at the PNP conference the other day. But Buju is PNP as well, so I don't even know what it is. But what's funny is that both sides use Kartel Clark's song, so I don't know what the issue is. But like me say, probably he just preferred that type of music, and that's where he wanted to go. We can't bash him. That's his choice. That's his choice of genre. So we just have to mind our business. But you guys tell me what you think in the comment section. Now on to the next topic. Miss Shenseea ruffled a few feathers. She posted on Twitter saying, "Never had a whole phase. I don't want none either. LOL. What's fun about being ran through?" Now the issue that people are having is the brand that you're selling to us or to the people. You're saying, may I have to hit two people at the same time? Just weighing my option. And then in the next song, we're too young for lockdown with nobody. I don't know where else that song go. So it would have come in like Rihanna, who's selling makeup, would have just tweet on Twitter and say, we can't bother for wear lipstick and foundation everywhere me I go, and then people be looking at her like, huh? What you say? You understand me? Make up your mind. I would side it upon. You have to know what you do, Shenseea. You know you're not lucky. You're not lucky. So make up your mind. Which side it upon? You weigh your options. I stick to one man. Because I think she do have a next song, you know. When she say one man she want. And, yo, God no. That's why I don't know if you look up to no celebrity, make up the mind. Make up your own decision, because then we tell you if you and scam boy and can man whole time there being a household, one man, family, everything. You understand me? Make up your own decisions, live your own life. I swear to God, it's just for the what Kartel I say is just for the hype. But you guys tell me what you think in the comment section. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.